Hey guys! So today I'm back with another video. Today we are gonna test something. If we're gonna put Play-Doh in the slime that I made, and we're gonna see what happens if we do it. So yeah, let's start. So I think we should put like a bit of it. I don't know if it disactivates. I don't know what will happen, but yeah. So these are all the colors. Why is this like this? I don't know where this is. Okay. So for example, let me take this out. For an example, this is how it looks like. Well, I'm not going to take black actually. I think I'm going to take like a greenish. This green or this, I think I'm going to take this. No, actually, this way. Take a bit of it. So, yeah, let's take this much. We don't know if it'll make it better or deactivate it. So, yeah, I'll take a bit more actually. So, yeah, that's it. I'll put this in here. And let's, wait, actually I need to make it like this. So I'll be back when I make it like softer and yeah. So I'm back and I kind of stayed here a long time. And it's now like softer, a lot softer. So let's see what will happen. Oh, it doesn't really look that well. Okay. Pretty weird. It looks pretty weird. And so it's not really mixing that much. So I'm not trying to like piece it and break it into pieces. But it looks pretty weird, I guess. It gets like, I don't know. I mean, it's not disactivating, so yeah, it's not disactivating. Let me take this out and put it right here. Woo! Sorry, guys. My camera fell. Yeah, so it feels very, like, weird about it. So just, guys, okay, I want to show you. Guys, this is how it looks. It looks really weird. Like, very interesting. So guys, that's how it looks. That's how the slime is looking. So this is how the slime is looking. Let's take this out. Okay, that's good. So basically, yeah, it looks really weird. Extremely weird. It looks like, yeah. I think it might be crunchy and it's not mixing that much. It's, like everything it's getting on this. Oh no. Yeah, so it's not mixing that much. So I think this might be a fail. Yeah, I think it's a fail. And I don't know actually, so, but yeah, so let's keep mixing. Mix. This is how it looks. I mean, it could get better or stuff like that. It's pretty, like, yeah, feels weird. Feels really weird. Very weird. So I'm gonna get this. I'm trying to get this on the table because, yeah. But yeah, it's really like, it's really sticky. And I don't really, has no chance. I don't think so. Just guys, look at it. It just has crumbs in it. Like, I think it's just not mixing, you know. Guys, I mean, if I mix it, yeah. So I'll be back after some minutes after mixing it to see if something might change, and something might change. So yeah, I'll be back. Actually, I'll show you a bit of it, how it looks. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is how it looks, so I'll show you. Yeah guys, sorry guys. So yeah, I'll be back. So guys, I came back after quite some like hours actually. Look, just guys, it is not mixing. So yeah, this is a fail. I thought it will mix, but actually didn't. But the good thing is, it's like softer and like changed it a bit, and like it's a lot different, and it's like crunchier. It's crunchy. This might be minty chocolate. No, minty mint. Have a name for it, and it's gonna be called Minty Mint Crunch. Minty Mint Crunch. I like this name. So it's called Minty Mint. And this is just mint milkshake. This, like, I'll show you this one as well, so I'll be back. So guys, I'm back, and this is basically how the slime, the mint slime looks. So yeah, let me show you. But yeah, so. It stretches very good. So yeah, that's basically how it looked like. And yeah, which one do you like, guys, better? The crunchy one or the... Okay, which one? So yeah, which one do you like better? The simple one or the minty mint crunch? Mint, just mint, because you can say it mint. So yeah, I call it mint slime. It's just like that. Simple. Because it's like minty, simple mint. Yeah, so it's just mint slime. So yeah, basically. And mint, like minty mint crunch. Which one is your favorite, guys? So yeah, I'll be back. Guys, so which one is your favorite? This one or this one? What do you think? So I'll be back. Guys, yeah, I'll tell you my favorite. Well, my favorite is this one because it still like stretches better. It still stretches better. And it makes like more noises. Let me try to make a bubble. Let me see. Will it work? I don't know. I don't think so. No. But let's see. Yeah, even noises. Let me see if this one makes the bubble. Not really, but it does make sound. Well, let me try again. Okay, it tried. So, yeah. So, thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe on the notification bells. So, yeah, I'll be back with a slime video because right now we're changing. Actually, we're gonna make like episodes of like slimes, and every single time something might happen or like will it slime or stuff like that, we're gonna do that. And yeah, so that's gonna be in the next video about other slimes. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.